Frankie Meatball here. I'm going to share one of my secret family recipes. A beautiful Caesar salad. In my house, we call this the Uncle Kenny's Caesar salad.
The ultimate meatball.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
Uncle Kenny's Caesar salad is like no other. One of the reasons why, because he's got his own bowl for his Caesar salad. This bowl, let me tell you something, this bowl goes back to when Uncle Kenny probably was in his 20s. So this bowl has been seasoned and seasoned over and over with some good salad. So if you don't have the Uncle Kenny's bowl, whatever you got is fine. You're going to need something to kind of mash the garlic with and the anchovies. You could do it in one of these or do it in your salad bowl. If you got a salad bowl, whatever, or if you got one of these and you got a metal bowl, however you want to mash it, you're going to mash it, okay? So anyway, let me tell you what we need. Well, starter dish is romaine lettuce, okay? We're going to need some nice croutons. If you make your own croutons, go for it. Some fresh lemon, some garlic, some Parmigiani cheese, that's Parmesan, and some anchovies with some olive oil, and the occasion, salt and pepper. So, let's get started. You can chop the end off, it's up to you, but I don't like to use my knife for lettuce. I'm just gonna break the bottom off, and I'm gonna run this under cold water. After your lettuce is washed, what I like to do is put it on some paper towel, spread it open, get yourself more paper towel. You know, you don't have to go crazy, but just blot it, okay? I used 2 heads because my heads were a little smaller than they should be, you know what I'm saying? So I used 2 heads. It's all, you know, if you got a nice big head, you could use 1. If not, use 2. Now you dry all of your lettuce. Don't put it in a bowl yet. Capiche? Just grab it and put it to the side. Okay, we're going to start with the garlic. So let me just slide this over. You want to use 2 nice sized cloves, about this big. Okay, 2 nice sized cloves per head of lettuce. So I'm going to use 3 nice sized cloves with a little clove. Okay, and Uncle Kenny loves his garlic. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we're going to do. You want a little more garlicky, you put more. You want a less garlicky, you put less. Okay, so we're going to start out by opening the garlic. We're going to just smash it, and don't be afraid to really give it a good smash. Okay, because we're going to mash it anyway, so we might as well get a little head start, you know? You got all your garlic smashed and peeled, just run your knife through it. And we're going to put it in our bowl. Now your garlic is in the bowl. If you don't have one of these, whatever you could use to smash the garlic, I used to use a spoon, whatever you can to get the garlic really mashed. And as you mash it, you want to go around the bowl. If you have a bowl like this, if not, just keep mashing it. You grab some olive oil, just a drizzle, and let's get that garlic in there so we mash it really good. But you still want those chunks of garlic in there. Yes. You could also use a garlic press, okay? Press the garlic in here and then mash it. I mean, there's plenty of things to do, but I like doing this. It's, you know, it's what do you call that? Therapeutic, you know? This is how I was taught, so this is why I do it the way I do it. Because if I don't do it like this, it's not an Uncle Kenny Caesar salad, eh? You took the lid off, you drained your anchovies, push down on it, get as much as you can out of there. Get your masher. Now do the same thing with the anchovies, okay? You'll mash them down really nice. Get the garlic involved, right? Because Uncle Kenny was a great guy. No matter where he was, he got everybody involved with what he was doing, you know what I'm saying? So that's why we're going to get the garlic involved. You know, he included everybody in his conversations. You know, he was a Marine. He leaves no man behind. What can I tell you, you know? That's the kind of guy that guy was. And great guy. He's the kind of guy who'll give you the shirt off his back in a snowstorm. If you were cold, he'd give it to you. And I bet you there's all his friends will contest to that. I'm telling you guys, what a guy he was. Now you want to do just a little bit, because we're going to throw this on the lettuce. You just want a little bit. When it starts to get dry, it's going to mash it really nice. You know what I'm saying? Really nice. I mean, the longer you mash it, guys, I'm telling you, the longer you mash it, the more flavor comes out of the garlic, and the more of the anchovies are loose, and it gets all over the lettuce. Forget about it. I don't know where he learned this one from, but hey, I know where I learned it from. Thank you, Uncle Ken. Check that out. This is what you want. See that, how it's nice and pasty? The garlic is mixed in, nice and nice, right? That's what you want, guys. Your lettuce is nice and dried. See, that's why you clean your lettuce first, so it can drip off with the water and all that. No cutting. I don't like cutting. Just, you know, bite sizes, right? So just break it with your hand. That's it. Throw it right in. See that? Boom. Boom. Your lettuce is all chopped or broken up, however you want to say it. It's in your bowl, right? Make whatever you want. You could use tongs, you could use whatever you want, but I'm going to use the Uncle Kenny's tools. So you just want to mix it around. Mix it nice and good, okay? You want to mix it nice and good and get the garlic and the anchovies all over the lettuce. See, now you're starting to see it. See, I'm breaking that apart. See that? It's all the mush, and I'm breaking the mush apart. So it could get all over everything. Now, we're going to just slide. We're going to switch. See how we switched? Alright, you're going to just mix it. So, Uncle Kenny confirmed something that I always did. And I never told anybody because it kind of sounds like crazy. But you probably saw me do it on my videos. You put an ingredient in, and then you mix it. You put an ingredient in, and then you mix it. You put an ingredient in, and then you mix it. So, it's not just throw everything together and mix it, you know? Because I believe, but you confirm, once you put an ingredient in and you mix it, now that ingredient goes all over everything. Except for when you throw everything together, it's like one big cluster of seasonings just getting all mixed together. To me, it doesn't go through and through. Plenty of times Uncle Kenny says, you know, I wish we grew up together. He goes, you seem like a lot of fun. He doesn't know the half of it, huh? Forgot about it, huh? I said to him, hey, Uncle Ken, be careful what you wish for, huh? Yeah. Uncle Kenny's gonna slap my hand for this, but I'm just gonna put just a pinch of salt in it, okay? I know Uncle Kenny never added salt to anything. He says we just go with the natural flavors of stuff with the salt, because everything has salt. Salt, pepper, now I mix. And that's, you know, Uncle Kenny had his own language, like chicken, mix, fish, your place was in the right heart. I mean, little things like that. He had his own language. Okay, so olive oil. Just drizzle some in. Okay, boom. And you mix. Parmesan time. The Parmigiani, it's all personal preference. If you got the good stuff, just put it in, you know what I mean? Throw it in. Mix it just a little bit. Okay, not too crazy. We're going to throw some croutons in. We like croutons, so we're going to go crazy and nice and heavy with that. Now, you grab a half of a juice of lemon. You could use one of these things, but I never did with Uncle Kenny, so I'm not getting fancy on him, okay? Just, what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze it on top for the final thing. Let's mix this together with the croutons, okay? Just lemon on top, make sure none of the seeds go in, so, you know, you want to put your hand under the lemon. Just a little bit of a lemon. See, the citrus goes good with the anchovies. Now you just mix. Tell me that's not going to taste good, right? Huh? Very nice, guys. Look at that. Boom, huh? Huh? How about that? I think I made Uncle Kenny proud, making his favorite classic traditional Caesar salad. Try this, guys. Try it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And if you try it, you're putting a smile on Uncle Kenny's face. So, guys, check us out on Instagram. I'm going to be having a sample wine glass giveaway to the best person that sends me their recipe. If I pick your recipe, you get the wine glasses, guys. Check us out on Facebook. Post your recipe on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. And email me just to say hi. I don't care, guys. There's my email address. Hit me up with an email, and I'm going to let the Mini Meatball take over.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play my favorites from Motley Crue, Ozzy Osbourne, Twisted Sister, and lots more others.
Lots more others. Don't forget the Four Fathers, the band, Mothers of Rock. And again, guys, I love sharing what I love with you. That's why I cook for you. And my favorite coffee right now is Bada Bean Coffee. Bada boom, bada bean. Put it in your cup. You know what I mean? So, let's tell them.
Tell them.
Until next time. Cooking with Uncle Kenny. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.